Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to go over the first mod, which I'm going to do. A lot of you guys always do the same thing, is tint the windows here. Having a new car like this without the windows tinted, it's just hard to drive it. It's so bright inside, and at night all the car's lights blind you. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done. I think I'm going to go with ceramic this time. I didn't last time just because I wanted to save a little bit of money, but people are saying it's that much better and it helps reduce the heat with the same shade. So I'm gonna definitely probably pick up ceramic. I'll tell you the shades I get and what I paid for it. But I think the tinting windows is the biggest thing you can do as far as like the appearance, and it saves your car too. Helps keep your steering wheel a little cooler, you know, hide some stuff if you have it inside. You don't want everybody just looking right in your car. So definitely get that done, guys. My last car, I didn't do the ceramic, and I felt like it still got really hot inside, and everyone that has ceramic said it makes a huge difference. So I appreciate you guys giving me that feedback. Helps me make my decision since I've never had it, and it does cost quite a bit more. At least in my area it does. So I'll go ahead and go to the tint shop, and I'll show you the final product. So here it is, guys. Just got it back. This right here, I got 20% on the rear and then 35% on all the sides. So it's a lighter smoke, but I personally like that. At night, it's easier to drive, and it's still, the ceramic, I can tell, definitely cuts a lot of heat without having to go dark. That's the good thing about ceramic. You don't have to go limo to really cut the heat down. I paid $400 for it. I called around a lot of places, and that was like the going rate. And the place I got it is where I always have taken my cars. Amazing work, looks perfect, has lifetime warranty and all that. And I got the Xpel ceramic tint. So I've heard you guys say Xpel is one of the best, so I definitely went that route. Here's what it looks like inside. As you can tell, doesn't really change the look of it. So I love it, guys. I would definitely recommend ceramic, and then you get it whatever shade you guys like. Of course, that's personal preference. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Hope you liked it, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Appreciate it, guys.